Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna make my first YouTube video. Um, I have made YouTube videos before. On Danish. I have not tried it on English, but I think the audience for programming tutorials is quite limited in Denmark, and I want to interact with the subscribers. Yeah, so that's why I'm making this video in English. So bear with me if it's not the perfect English, but I'll try my best and hopefully improve on this on this channel with my English and hopefully also my programming skills and the ability to explain what I'm doing more clearly. I have a friend which have gained a lot of experience from programming and filming it because sometimes you just sit in your own world and don't really know what you're doing. Um, yeah, so it's good to speak out loud. So it's kind of for educational purposes, but also just for fun. As I told earlier, I have been making videos for I don't know, maybe about 3 years or something. But it's like 5 years ago. But I I don't know. I found it funny to make YouTube videos back then. So why not do it now? Back then I played Minecraft. I don't play that anymore. And yeah, I don't really play much games. So we're gonna make a small little program here. And the topic for today is a little bit advanced. I mean, not really advanced, but it's not like it's not like Hello World project. It's a little bit more complicated than that. It's a program that I've made before, and right now I'm working in IntelliJ, and we're just gonna create it with a template, so we don't have to write the main method. That don't really matter. You can do it if you want, but you can also just don't do it. So this is gonna calculate your income. Yes. All right. All right. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay. So here we have it. And for this we will need a main, and I like to put my work in different classes. Just like good, it's just good practice. Don't to put it all in one class, so it's a little bit more split up. So we're gonna call this calc income. For now, we are not gonna we're gonna calculate it without the tax. But further on, I will make a video where I will also do it when calculating after the taxes. All right. So what we need a final. We can just call it final. It don't really matter, but it will not change. This will not change. So we're just gonna type it in. You can also make a scanner and maybe what can I say? You can also make a scanner and ask the user like how much do you get paid an hour, and how much is your evening supplement or whatever. But I think there will be a lot of interaction with the user. But you're sure you can do that if you want. But if this is only a program for you, because the time I have spent working and always trying to figure out how much I would get paid if I worked this many hours and took this many extra shifts and stuff like that. Um, yeah. So it's just like a quick calculator to get an idea of what you're gonna get paid this month. I know some companies you get paid like quite often, and you know what you get like that. But me as a part-time job, sometimes I take extra shifts and stuff like that. So for me, this was it was a nice program to have. I think it was actually the first program that I actually had an idea that I actually could use for something. I mean, we've made a lot of projects in school and stuff like that, but yeah. This is kind of a long video already, I can tell. But it's also like an introduction to my channel, because I think it's weird just to start a YouTube channel and then just go straight into it. Like, yeah. But that will not be something I will do in the future. I also think I need to get like to the point like straight away, more, because in my previous videos I did when I played Minecraft, I was talking a lot. It was like 30 minutes just me straight talking whatever. So that's just a natural thing for me, I guess. But I will definitely try to keep these videos short. um yeah, but I thought it would be too boring just to talk like a podcast. I mean, this is YouTube, like. So yeah, that's why we're making this calculate your income program here. All right. So, um, my hourly rate. This is in Danish crowns, by the way. That is oh, like this. No, we have to give it a name. Oh my god, I'm a little bit confused right now. All right, hourly rate, and that's gonna be like 6 point. Down. All right, and then we also have some other things. We're just gonna duplicate some things here. So that's evening, evening supplements, and we're just gonna copy this. Boom. Supplements, and then we have supplements. I mean, this is my this is my supplements. Yours might be different. You might even don't have any. I don't know. Then just leave them out. So Saturday day supplement, and the last is Sunday supplement. All right. And my evening supplement is like this. And remember to put the dots in when it's a double. Alright, so 473. And the last one we have is, I think it's 51, right? Yeah, we're just gonna put a 0 in here. Alright, so now we have the things we need for the calculation. We have the numbers. So now we just need some kind of interaction with the user. So we're gonna make a public double, which is gonna return how many hours we've worked this month. All right. So we will call it how many hours you work. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. A little bit long, but yeah, it explains what it is, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so here, because we need interaction with the user, we will need to import the scanner class, like this, system.in. All right, so now we have a scanner class, and this scanner class is we're gonna save this input from the user, call it hours, and scanner.next, and then we're gonna actually have the next double. The reason why it's a double is because you can you can have 15 and a half hours of work, and you all want to get the half hour, of course, so it's gonna be like that. So if you have 15 hours and 30 minutes, you will have to type 15 comma 5. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna then return the hours, of course. All right, so now we have this, just only taking care of how many hours we work. Maybe we should do this. Oh, not like that. Out. All right. How many hours have you worked this month? All right. All right. All right. So because we need I will make another video on how to calculate your salary after taxes. We're gonna first make a class called calc income before taxes. Yeah, and when we have that, we can actually use that money. That number to calculate the income after the taxes, but we will not worry about that in this video. We will only be calculating it before the taxes. All right, so we're gonna make another class. We're gonna call it public double calc income before taxes. All right, so there you go. And we're also gonna have a scanner for that. A good practice is actually instantiating the scanner up here instead. So we're just gonna do it like this, because then we can call the scanner later on, or I mean, not really call it, but we can do it like this: scanner equals new scanner system.in. All right, that's fine. Yeah. Oh my god. All right, there you go. I think we're gonna do the same up in the other class. All right, so we're gonna do it like this. Alrighty. All right, so now we also have a scanner here. All right. Okay, so this method is not we're not gonna call this method anywhere but inside here. So we get the hours from this class, from this method. All right, so we put double, we catch the result from the other method, that the method down here. So how many hours you work, boom. All right, so now we have that. All right, so we're gonna ask the user now, how many hours during the evening. All right, fair enough. There you go. Okay. All right, and we're gonna catch this in, what can we call it, evening hours, and that's, yeah, so we're gonna call it there. We're gonna catch it here like that. So now we have this. You could also, I mean, how many hours you work, you could also put that inside there actually. You could also put these results up there, but yeah, we'll just do it like this right now. But I mean, yeah, there's a lot of opportunities when programming. You can do things in 50 million ways, literally. All right, but yes, then we have how many hours on. We'll just copy this because we're gonna write it one more time. So there you go. Saturdays. All right, and same principle as up there. So we say Saturday hours equals and then the same as before, scanner.next double. Boom. All right, and we're gonna do the last one here. Boom. How many rows on Sundays? And yeah, you already guessed it. We're gonna make a double and we call it Sunday hours, and we get it here, scanner.next double. All right, so now we have what we need. Let's call it that. All right. So now we can get the money before the taxes with this information we have now. All right, so we're gonna make another double and call it money before taxes. All right. Yeah. So okay, we have the first of all we have the hours. How many hours is there? And we catched it in a double up here, which is called hours. All right, so we put our hours, and then we multiply it with our hourly rates. All right, and the next thing is the evening hours times the evening supplement. And another one, maybe we should go down one here, and call it Saturday. Oh, we need to put it in parentheses. Right, Saturday hours dot Saturday supplement. Yep. All right. Yep. And the last one is the Sunday. Oh, that's Saturday. Sunday hours dot Sunday supplement. All right. So that is actually our money before the before the taxes here. So you probably already know how to calculate your salary, but next time you can just put this in. You only have to tell the program how many hours you've worked and how many hours you worked during the evening, Saturdays and Sundays, or I don't know how your supplement, if you have like a weekend supplement, just erase Sunday and Saturday and type in weekend instead. And if you have a night supplement, you can also put that in there. I actually have a night supplement as well, but our store don't really have open in the night. Sometimes I work during the night when we have to count all the items in the store. I work in a grocery store, so but it's rare case, but I get paid like 50 Danish crowns when I work at night. But it's like one time a year maximum. So I will not put that in the program. But if you work at night, you can put that in as well. All right. Okay. But we have set in the method signature that we will return a double. So we will return the double, and the double we're going to return is the money before the taxes. All right. So now we have that. Which we can actually use in another method. Public double calc income after taxes. All right. But we will not do it now, but we can do it later. We're just gonna return 0 right now because our program has to work, and then we can put in a double and then the money before the taxes. Money before taxes. All right, and we somehow we have to catch this one and put it into this one, so that way we don't have to type all the shit again, but it can show it before the taxes and after the taxes. But we will not worry about that right right now. All right, so if we want to display and see it's working, we have to make an instance of the class. So we're gonna go calc income equals new calc income, of course. Yeah, there you go. All right, and this calc income have some methods, and we know we have the calc income before the taxes. All right, so there you go. That's it. But we of course want to maybe we want to because right now it will not display it because we only return it. So we can make a double results. So that's the result from the method, and it's important to catch it in the same data type, which is a double. So we say before taxes. There you go, and then we put in the results. There you go, and you can also put the money behind, and it's DKK. Yeah, that is for me. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna run the program. How many hours you worked this month? Let's just say 80, and I had 20, and I had 10. And I also, yeah, there I had 8. All right. Before taxes, 11,573.2. All right. Yep. So that is how you calculate your income. I hope you liked this video, and are looking forward to seeing more videos of me. I'll be very, very glad, and it will be much appreciated if you left a comment down below, telling me like what you maybe would want to see, like another basic tutorial, or yeah, whatever you have in mind. Just put it down in the comments. Yeah, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye.